The next form of desert that we're going to talk about is what I will call legitimate entitlement. That is, legitimate entitlement as opposed to moral entitlement. Here's the basic idea. We set up a system of rules, right? And those rules have a role in determining who gets what. Right? And people make their decisions within the context of those rules, and they end up having certain things and not having others. As long as they obtained them by means of the rules, they deserve to have them. Right? On the other hand, if they were to break the rules in order to get them, or in some cases to keep things, then they don't deserve to have them. So let's go back to our example with the orthodontist. Right? She worked hard. Right? She went to college, dental school, orthodontist specialty, etc. Now, the system doesn't let her work extra hours to earn more money. Right? So does she deserve to have what she has? Yes. Right? Does she deserve to be able to work harder, work extra hours and have more? No. Right? Not in terms of legitimate entitlement. Right? Now suppose, right, that the orthodontist could have had more money, but we tax things, right, in order to make it possible for other people to have more money or maybe more leisure time. For example, her secretary, or rather her receptionist. Right? Her receptionist, we'll assume, could have been an orthodontist, but didn't work hard, right? Didn't want to put in the time in dental school, right? And only wants to work a few days a week. And yet, he's being in some way subsidized by money that's coming indirectly from her. Right? So someone might say, look, in the sense of moral entitlement, okay, that's wrong. Right? He doesn't deserve to have that money, and she deserves to be able to keep more of her money and not have to pay it in taxes to someone who could have worked harder, right, and didn't. Or some people would say, even if it was simply a matter of difference in talent, the person who has more talent and works hard, right, deserves to keep the extra money and not having given it to the person with less talent who works hard. So legitimate entitlement is the idea that there's a system in place. People make their choices knowing the system is in place, and the system specifies that they can keep certain things, but not others, or that they will be given certain things.